In these commentaries, you're going to find how you can do the basket weave. You're going to find how to install your 360 frontal like this one. You're also going to find some eyebrow makeup tips. To our first video, this is a 360 frontal installation. What I love about this the color combination, our skin color and the hair color, they blend so well, and this installation was seamless, very beautiful, and the lady also looks beautiful. This second one, I call it basket weave, but the stylist says it's an underground weave. And what you simply need to do is, do your cutting strategically. Once you go wrong with the cutting, you may not be able to get the right weave. Okay, so be gentle, be careful, calculate well while you are cutting. Just keep watching and tell me what you think about the end result of this updo underground weave. is the end result. Do you think you would have added an extension for the hair to just be a ponytail, or do you think it's okay this way? And on to the next. These are how you can actually shape your eyebrow, or let me say eyebrow shaping hack. So I'll see you guys in the next commentary videos. Bye.